Capital takes stock of the situation. Mumbai has embarked on Mission Universal testing. The city's civic body will initially procure 1 lakh antigen testing kits that will report COVID-19 test results in 30 minutes to an hour. BMC also plans to start using antigen kits for high-risk contacts, healthcare workers, and in containment zones and hotspots. The civic body has requested 35 private hospitals to buy antigen testing kits from ICMR-approved SD Biosensor Company. BMC has also asked private companies to purchase rapid testing kits for their employees. Adding rapid antigen testing is going to be expanding the city's testing capacity to 15,000 per day from nearly 10,000 now. This is coming in as 824 new cases were reported in Mumbai in 24 hours itself. 3,214 new cases were reported in Maharashtra, taking the state's tally to over 1.39 lakhs. Vidya is now joining us live for the very latest. Vidya, good news. Mumbai is going to be testing everybody. This is a move coming in from BMC. Very much, I'm sure, welcomed by the entire city as well. What does this really mean for Mumbai now? Mumbai, we know, has been a hotspot in Maharashtra. Maharashtra being the #1 worst impacted state in the country as well. What does this mean?
Well, if you remember, BMC was the first one to actually go in for aggressive testing. Way back when ICMR had asked for no symptoms test, people without symptoms not to be tested. Even then, although Mumbai BMC had banned testing of asymptomatic people, but in spite of that, there were many tests that were being done, almost as equal to what the number of tests earlier were being done. So testing never reduced in Mumbai, and now with the new performer that we have got, wherein the cost of the entire testing will be low. Apart from that, almost every person above the age of 70 can get themselves tested without even a prescription. And people who have a prescription from a doctor do not really have to go to the doctor as well. They have to just tell the symptoms to the doctor. The doctor can send it as the entire prescription over the phone, and that can be forwarded to the labs where testing can be done at home itself without the person having to move out and infect others. So there are many steps being taken by the authorities here to make sure that testing is the key to this entire battle that Mumbai has been fighting. Remember, there are many locations, especially in the suburbs, where the cases have been on the rise in spite of the cases, going down in the city area. So suburbs is where we have seen a lot of cases, and that's one of the reasons why this Mission Zero that has been started, along with heavy testing that will be done, that's something that is targeting the suburbs of Mumbai, where like Andheri, Kandivali, all these areas, Mulund, Bhandup, where cases have been on the rise. So certainly, these pockets will be especially the ones who will be getting tested more.
Absolutely. Leave it at that. Vidya getting us all those details right there from Mumbai.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.